WANBO has once again raised the bar with its latest flagship, the 2025 Mozart One Pro New, the world's first Google TV MEMC LCD projector. Building upon the solid foundation of its predecessor, the Mozart One Pro, the new model delivers powerful upgrades that elevate every aspect of your home theater experience. From stunning visuals and immersive sound to a smarter, smoother interface. Watching 4K video content from YouTube on the 2025 WANBO Mozart One Pro New is an unexpectedly premium experience for a projector in this price range. Video playback is sharp, detailed, and smooth, bringing out textures and nuances you'd typically associate with higher-end models. Thanks to HDR10 support, colors look richer and more vibrant, contrast is noticeably deeper, and bright scenes retain clarity without losing dynamic range. Whether you're watching nature documentaries, high-speed action clips, or cinematic movie trailers, the visuals feel immersive and lifelike. It's the kind of performance that really blurs the line between budget and premium.